like this belt was made for the centerfold.
You know what? I will say this. The belt does look nice.
It's a great looking belt.
It is. It is. And I think it would look good around your waist. It would look very good. Very good. What's next? Got triple threat here.
Triple threat match coming up. Insomnia versus the Playboy versus Ed the Monkey.
These guys have an extensive history. But it's on the playground. They grew up together. They don't like each other. Insomnia's mom doesn't like the Playboy's mom. It's pretty extensive.
So you got a guy that can't fall asleep.
Yep.
You got a guy that thinks he's a Playboy. And you got a guy that thinks he's a monkey.
Exactly.
Our next match is a triple threat. Introducing first, weighing in at 160 pounds. He is hailing from Sleepy Hollow, the Sleepless Slayer, Insomnia! One of his opponents, weighing in at 215 pounds from Hollywood, California, the Playboy, Scott King!
Tony, I like this guy already.
And introducing their opponents, he is weighing in at 205 pounds from the jungle, Ed the Monkey Burcham!
Hey, centerfold. Yeah.
Alright, look at this one.
Now, if I was the third man, if you two guys are beating each other up, I can sit back and watch it fight. Trying to roll up here. Got one of the Here comes Lucky. The sun is full. Deep Japanese arm flags. Hey, this cricket got going nuts.
I think we need a muzzle back here for these crickets.
I can't hear myself think. Insomnia.
Alright, here we go. Playboy's getting some offense. That's how I like this guy.
Now I'm done with
Lucky in there. Looks like nothing more than a jabroni off the street.
Ducks and double goes on. A double drop kick takes Insomnia out. And Now, Ed the Monkey.
What's going on here? Oh my God, Ford!
I think he's
What
dead.
has happened here?
I think he's dead. Uh-oh, here we go. High
The
risk.
monkey's going to the top.
Ed the Monkey's going up. Oh, the cross. Taking out the Playboy. Is it Insomnia's turn to fly? I think
Insomnia's
it
going to
is.
the top.
Uh-oh, here we go.
Oh my God, what is he doing here?
And he hits his own crossbody. Good God.
All three men are laid out.
I think the Playboy might have pulled his groin.
You know, Ford, if they don't get in the ring before 10, this match is over.
It would be a rotten shame for this match to end with a triple count out. The ref is counting. I heard a rumor he can't count past 5.
If he gets into that ring, he can break the count and the match will continue.
He's at 7. It's broken up now.
All right.
That was close. Jesus.
Oh! That's my kind of guy.
And there goes Ed the Monkey. What a big splash in the corner.
Look at the Playboy.
House under.
Look at the Playboy.
Oh, with the tarantula.
He's got till 5. Oh! Breaks the back.
Breaks the back Hogan style. Do it like Hogan. Because Hogan knows best. And now it's the Playboy.
What's the second one?
Whipping Insomnia into the corner. Simple boots.
Playboy stomping the butthole.
And walking it dry. Good God almighty. And now he's climbing up here.
What could he possibly be thinking?
He's perching. No way. Oh my God. He gets caught.
Wrecked. And his foot's caught. Oh my God, come on, Playboy, get out of there.
Oh, hey, I don't know about this, but I think his gym and twins are out of commission. And now he's caught
They're
up.
going to be able to call the Playboy for much longer. He looks like he's out of commission.
Now they're gonna stop his ass.
You know, these two guys are stupid. They're really stupid. I was there.
We really need to muzzle the crickets.
Let me tell you something. If I was wrestling right now, I would have kept him there.
Yeah.
Even though I like him, I would have kept him there. Taking advantage of the situation.
Ooh.
These two guys obviously don't know what the hell they're doing.
Listen.
Come on, hit him harder. Lift up your shirt. Lift up your shirt and try.
Irish whip. Irish whip. Oh. And an Arn Anderson-like spine buster by Ed the Monkey. Now the shoulder tap.
Well, there's nothing like a reference to the form.
Exactly. Now he's
What could you possibly going on from here for? Well, it's a hurricane.
with a hurricane run off the top rope. Playboy's down, Insomnia's down, Ed the Monkey's down. All 3 guys are
The
down.
ref knew what he was doing. He had already started the count. Excuse me? The ref knew what he was doing when they were on the ground. He had already started the count.
I overdrown you. I talked too loud. Insomnia punching with the rights in the corner on Ed the Monkey. Clearly, not one guy is clearly winning this match. It's pretty well even.
They're equally beating the piss.
Insomnia is saying it's over. What is he thinking? Uh-oh.
Oh, God.
Oh, jeez.
I don't like where this is going.
Oh, wow. The tower. Playboy power bomb Insomnia.
Tower of Pain.
And Insomnia overhead suplex Ed the Monkey.
He got the Playboy. What a trooper. He's only wrestling with one shoe.
A tornado DDT by the Playboy on Insomnia, and Insomnia again with his back on the mat looking up at the lights. Playboy, yes, currently is not wrestling with both shoes on. The crickets behind us say he's homeless. I say they're just jealous.
Well, last time, we need a muzzle back here for these crickets.
And the Playboy,
You shut up.
is he talking to them or is he talking to us?
You're talking to me? You're talking to me? You must be talking to me. Security boy, need to get this kid out of here.
Ed blocked that little kid over there getting spellboard ass. And now Ed the monkey going up top again. Uh-oh, I know what's coming here. Elbow. Oh, he nails it. This is it. Top 2. Oh. Leg drop off the top rope, breaking up the 3 count. And for a top hard action-packed match. Insomnia with a scoop. 2, 3. That was out of nowhere.